guys, and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. In today's Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video, we're going to be talking about what is the Bitcoin price is most likely going to do in the short term. So I haven't uploaded for some time now because I took a mini break and also I didn't upload because the Bitcoin price was mostly consolidating. So when I upload new videos, I prefer to upload when there's a new pattern in the Bitcoin price, or the Bitcoin price is rapidly moving to the downside or to the upside, or both, because if it's consolidating, then it will be mostly the same video as before. So that's why if I see consolidation in the Bitcoin price, I will most likely won't upload. But right now, since there's some time that have passed by right now, that's why I'm uploading this new video. So right now in the Bitcoin price, I mentioned in the last video, the Bitcoin price was forming these head and shoulders right here, and it was confirming as resistance, but it then got invalidated right here. So right now this head and shoulders is invalidated, so we'll delete those lines right here. That was a double head and shoulders invalidation, because there was another one that happened before that one, was here, here, and here. So right now the pattern I'm seeing right now in the Bitcoin price is this one. I'm gonna draw this as I go right here. The Bitcoin price was following this pattern right here, and gonna draw the support line right here because it was here. And as you can see right here, the Bitcoin price was forming this falling wedge you see right here. This was a fake out, broke out here, confirmed, support, breakout right here. Still it's showing weakness because it's not continuing to the upside. The price target for this pattern right here, this funny wedge, will be the top of the wedge. That will be the all-time high for the Bitcoin price right here. So right now the Bitcoin price is struggling to stay above this yellow line. I will show you here. We'll click here. So I'm going to show you where that yellow line is coming from. I'm going to the daily time frame so you can see it a little bit more clearly right here. So this yellow line comes from here, from this wedge right here. So you can see here that there was resistance here, and broke out here, confirmed as support, lost support, regain support, lost support, regain support, and now it's struggling to stay above this yellow line. So that's indicating that the Bitcoin price is finding a lot of resistance and trouble staying above this yellow line as support, and it is because of this option without having enough of a consolidation or enough of a pullback to continue going higher right now. And that's why I was saying in last video that I am anticipating for the Bitcoin price to at least go to half of this vertical price movement, at least to here, around this $52,000 to $55,000 range, to then keep going higher, because this is too much of a vertical price action too fast without having enough of a pullback. This is not enough of a pullback in order to continue. Even right now, the Bitcoin price made a retest to this blue line, which is this Fibonacci retracement, which is a very strong Fibonacci retracement around the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement around this $57,194 level. It perfectly retested this as support, and now it's hovering around this range, which it demonstrates that the Bitcoin price is having support, a very strong support around these price levels. But in this stage of the bull run right now, the Bitcoin price can just ignore not heading lower before going higher, because this will right now these are the almost the last stages of the bull run. The bull run still is active, but as I mentioned, the bull run wasn't wasn't going to end in October, like I mentioned in a lot of previous videos I mentioned before. The Bitcoin bull run will most likely end around December to January, to those months. That's where I'm personally anticipating for the Bitcoin price to top out around those months. So right now, I'm expecting at least for this Bitcoin price move in order to continue in a healthy manner before really heading higher, because Bitcoin likes to, before it makes a huge move, the Bitcoin price almost always likes to have a pullback to scale out of people, recover very quickly, and then start making that massive movement. Because right now, a lot of people are greedy right here, right now, because you can see vertical price action, a little bit of consolidation, pump, consolidation, pump, consolidation, pump, little bit of pullback, and still the Bitcoin price is hovering around almost all-time highs. And right now, going into the fear and greedy index, you can see right here that the Bitcoin price, that the Bitcoin fear and greedy index, it's extreme greed. It's just a lot of people are expecting for the Bitcoin price to keep going higher, and right now, from what I'm seeing, the Bitcoin price has to have at least more time to consolidate around these ranges before creating that momentum to keep going higher. Because right now, if the Bitcoin price attempts to just keep going like this, I think that it will not have enough of a momentum to keep going higher. So eventually it will have to have a huge pullback before going higher. Right now, it would be very good if the Bitcoin price can pull back at least here to the $55,000 level, at least, to then keep going higher, or have a flash crash, a quick, flash crash recovery and keep going higher. Because like I said, this is not enough consolidation or a pullback to continue going higher in a healthy manner. So I stay on that statement very strongly, because that's what I'm seeing. And as the Bitcoin price said before, and what the Bitcoin price is showing right now. So right now, support levels will be around here, 57,240, around the $57,250 level. That will be support. A really strong support will be around this yellow lines around here, this Fibonacci retracements around this $52,500 level and this $51,100 level. If the Bitcoin price manages to go to these price levels, it will be really quick. I mean, I am anticipating that the Bitcoin price will not stay around those levels for not even for more than 2 days, not even a day. It would just, if it happens, flash crash, recovery the same day, and then after a couple of days, it will then start going higher, and that's where it will truly start going to the upside for the Bitcoin price. And that's where I will say that the Bitcoin price will have enough of a pullback and enough consolidation to then go higher right now. So that's what I am anticipating for the Bitcoin price. And as you can see right here, this yellow line, the Bitcoin price is toggling to you and stay above here. You can see here, rejection here, and now it's struggling. You can see right here. So right now, those are the patterns I'm seeing for the Bitcoin price right now. That's the new pattern. And the previous patterns, as I mentioned in a couple of videos ago, are very bullish. Right now, the Bitcoin price is very bullish from what I'm seeing right here. It's very bullish because I'm going to hide this Fibonacci tracing just for a second so you can see what I mean right here. So you can see that the Bitcoin price is really bullish because of these patterns that I mentioned a couple of videos ago. I'm going to show you real quick here. Support, resistance, support, resistance, and breakout. That is very bullish because that price target for that pattern, that is a descending triangle, and the price target for that level will be here. Show you real quick, here and there. I'll show you there. So this will be the price target around this $84,000 level for the Bitcoin price. And I will show you another pattern that also broke out bullish. This another like descending triangle right here. Resistance, support, resistance, and breakout right here. That is another pattern right here. That price level will be around the $71,000 level right here. That's another bullish pattern that also broke out, and it's on its way to complete the pattern right around these levels. Another bullish pattern that also occurred was this one, this double bottom scenario right here. And you can see that the neckline will be around here. This pink line you can see right here. The price target will be measured like this, from this bottom to this neckline. I'm gonna draw it again real quick here and here and here, like so. And you can see that this pattern will take the Bitcoin price to around the $78,000 level. That's another bullish pattern right there. And another bullish pattern that I saw also for the Bitcoin price was this wedge right here. Wait a second, right here. Come on. Okay, here. So support, resistance, support, broke out, fake out, but it's still managing to stay above this yellow line. And if the Bitcoin price can hold this yellow line, continue going to the upside, then the target will be around here. I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm gonna draw this from support to the resistance, and here will be the price target around this $75,000 range for this bullish pattern. Like, Bitcoin price is really bullish right now, and if you want another bullish pattern that it is almost the same as a double bottom, you can see here. I'm gonna show you real quick right here. There's a cup and handle pattern that formed. I'm gonna show you here real quick. So it will be here. I'm gonna show you from here to here and there. Another one over here, from here to here, and that's a cup and handle pattern you see right there. And the price target for that cup and handle pattern is like this. Put the neckline around here, and the price target will be the same as the double bottom pattern around here, the $76,000 level right here. So guys, the Bitcoin price is really bullish. It's just right now, I'm anticipating a pullback, like a very quick pullback to scare a lot of people, because right now fear and greed index, it's extreme greed, even with the little pullbacks. That's why I was saying that these pullbacks are not enough, because you can see that even after that little pullback, the Bitcoin price, most people are still extreme greed. So most of the times before the Bitcoin price starts going really high, most of the times it has a pullback to shake out that extreme greed and put it into neutral, or even greed, or even fear, or even extreme fear. So extreme fear will be if Bitcoin price has this amount of a pullback, like to $50,000 level, that would be extreme fear. If the Bitcoin price pulls back to around $52,000 to $55,000 level, I'm anticipating for the Bitcoin price. I'm anticipating for most people to be from neutral to a greed zone. That's what I'm anticipating. And extreme fear will be pullback like this, like $45,000. But that's most likely not going to happen. That huge pullback. What I'm anticipating for the Bitcoin price to at least to pull back around the $52,500 level to the $55,000 level at least, to then keep going higher in a healthy manner, and then start going from $80,000 to $150,000 from this month, from November to December of this month. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm anticipating for the Bitcoin price from November to December, from this month to the next month. And yeah, guys, Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet. Also click the bell notifications to stay notified when I upload new videos as soon as possible. Also, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you can get an immediate short-term buy opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities, live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty in the short term and in the long term. Also live updates, my buying targets, my selling targets, and more. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.